Right, I'm going to show you how to set the Squire Vulcan Combi 50 padlock. They're basically, in the instructions, they're all set to 0, so that's how the operation is like. So there's the button, right, it's all on 0 at the moment, so you go click like that and the shackle comes open. Now to reset, we've got to remove that screw. I've got a posi number 1 screwdriver, so a crosshead one. So we're going to remove the screw, like so. Right, and then you reset to whatever code you want. Just for this video, I'm gonna, for ease, you need to press the button in at the bottom. It's a bit awkward. Press the button up like so. Right, then you move your digits. I'm going to do 9. It's got to be dead on in centre, so hold the button in. So we've set to 9999. Right, as I held the button in there. Now we're going to put the screw in, and what I've found with the screw, don't go all the way in with it. You can go all the way in, right? Because I found if you go too far with it, the shackle won't click in properly, like so. So you have to back the screw off by about probably half a turn, like so. Look. See? Easy. So that's set at 999 or whatever code you want. So if we go on any of the others, won't open. Go back to the 9s. Push the button in. Shackle. Click. Open. Easy. But remember what I said. Don't go too far in with the screw. If you do all the way in, then back it off half a turn and it'll be okay.